No.
Alright, hi guys. As you know, it's me again. You know, today is not really about. Today's not really about being funny stuff. But I just got a little few words to say. I gotta say something that comes out my mind. Well, as you know, I made my videos and about Peter Chow, and this son of a said, oh, his name is Gurgar 10, by the way. He like, oh, ha ha ha, funny. What? Stop hating, bitch. You know what? If you want to do something, come to my house over here. Go to Pinewood Street, bitch. I'll be ready to fuck you up. Come on, do something, man. You don't even know me, right? So, fans, this is not to you. I'm not trying to act hard or tough or something, but fans, like, I adore you and stuff. I just don't like people who are hating like that. Just let them hate. They ain't got nothing on this, so I'm not trying to say I'm all that. I'm just like you guys too. I'm going on the road to adventure. Anyways, Gurgaro 10, you stupid motherfucker. You dumbass. Who the hell is the name Gurgaro? Bitch, you sound like fucking dumbass Adventures Finn and Jay. You sound like that fucking Sir Nicholas crap. Bitch, bro, you look like you got no live play on Xbox 360 24/7. Got, bro, you don't even want this. I'm about to give you the old session. Oh, yo dirty ass. Oh, your ugly ass name. Oh, your bitch ass can't even say it on my face. Oh, yo no lifer. Oh, yo dumb ass Xbox 360 player. Oh, yo chipped ugly ass tooth. Oh, yo scary ass bitch can't come to my face. Oh, yo Gurgaro 10. I can't have a better name than that. Oh, yo no lifer. Oh, bitch, come on, get a girl. Get a life. Kiss a girl. Come over here. Say it to my face. Do something, Gurgaro 10. Come on, be somebody. Why you always gotta hate on me, huh? You wanna hate on me? Get over here and say it to my face, stupid bitch. Yeah.